No,
Where are we going? Oh, Rancho Nambe. So, that's where
too fast.
we're going. Oh, this is perfect. Because this is the kind of geeks we are.
Do you want me to open this up, open the door and go in?
No, it's fine.
Well, I don't have to share enough.
Oh. Yeah.
Big bump, here we go. Big bump.
Yeah, you can film it going back out too if you want to.
Awesome. Yeah, it was too late with the exit.
There's a kitty.
Oh, the sanctum. There's a kitty.
Climbing on that. Climbing on
on
Oh,
the
I
car.
see. That's really funny.
Elizabeth.
That'll be Elizabeth.
Can I get higher?
Welcome to Rancho Nambe.
Ta-da!
Ella.